Hey fellows, Cardboard Boy here. So, I brought a Apple Watch Ultra from the cardboard box and it's for real. I guess Apple would not sue me. As I am going to be broke in 2026, I decided to make one with the thing you threw away. In this video, I am going to make an Apple Watch Ultra from cardboard. So let's begin. I felt it was not looking real. So I thought, let's make it real. Here we go.